The forest has fallen and Shane shall rebuild.
Here's our crew. And Mom.
We're at Footbridge Trailhead along the Wilson River, and we're gonna cross the highway and then walk up like whatever that is, quarter mile to the upper Bridge Creek Falls, and then we're gonna come back down, go on this walkway along the river, cross the river on a bridge, and see lower Bridge Creek Falls, which is just a culvert coming out of the highway and falling into the river. And then we'll go up here, and there's a Wilson Falls somewhere in there. Yeah. This is a car trail, otherwise known as a highway. The rain's calling for it. It's a waterfall day, so we're out here. Alright, so here we have a structure that was used to collect water and then pipe it down to the highway when the highway was being built in the 1930s. Alright, and right here we have the culvert that Bridge Creek is flowing into, and we'll go to the other side and see where it comes out. Upper Bridge Creek Falls up there, and then we got Lower Bridge Creek Falls straight out of the culvert into the Wilson River. Alright, Lower Bridge Creek Falls coming out of the culvert up there. It actually does look pretty cool. Alright, so we have made it to waterfall number 3. This is Wilson Falls on an unnamed creek apparently, and it falls directly into the Wilson River. We're at waterfall number 3 right now. This is Wilson Falls. Just continuously turns to mud. It's not even mud, that's just puddles. See how dirty we can get this on this next road. Just a little bit. But yeah, it's University Falls time. Couldn't read the signs already, or if you just listen to our vlog like a podcast, we're at University Falls up in the Tillamook State Forest, and we're almost there. It's a very short hike. The forest has fallen and Shane shall rebuild. Well, we're back at the house, and now we're gonna do a little Sam birthday celebration. Those hikes were pretty nice. A nice rainy day to go see some waterfalls, so I feel pretty fulfilled with that, and got to take the truck out some rocky back roads out where they were cutting all the trees too, so the logging companies have really made all the roads all muddy and potholed. It was fun, so now we're gonna go eat some cake.